Hi guys, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this episode I finally had some time to remove the air vent resistor, and as you could see from my previous episode I bought the wrong resistor because the Z3 has two types of resistor. Mine is earlier, so it has this one and it is very easy to access underneath the steering wheel. The only thing you need to remove this cover underneath the steering wheel. It is not hard to remove, just unscrew a couple of screws. And the newer model has this type of resistor, which is placed above the vent. It is much harder to reach from this side, and you need to remove all the plastic and wiper blades. I didn't want to order on blind. I just want to make sure how it looks like so I can order it. Before I order it, I check it. And as you can see, it's not hard to remove this cover, and at the look everything looks fine. It is nothing broken, all the springs are fine, nothing burned. And I just took the screwdriver and then put the cover on. And now it is in the place. And let's see now the moment of truth. It is working! I'm very happy that I've solved this problem. I didn't expect that I will be able to fix it, and I saved some money, about 70 bucks. And this is it for this video. I hope you like it and learn something. Make sure to subscribe, give the thumbs up, check out the merchandise, and see you all in the next one.